A very good morning to everyone. So today we are with Mystery of 108. Why does the number 108 appear everywhere? In yoga, in space, and even your body. So let's wrap it. Yoga. Why are there only 108 beads on a mala? Why do we chant mantra 108 times? Then there is a cosmic geometric alignment. That is, from Earth to Sun, we can fit 108 suns. As you can see, the distance from Earth to Sun divided by the Sun's diameter is 108, and similar thing can be seen with Earth and Moon, and the pattern repeats. That is 108 moons can roughly fit. The ratio is 110, but the distance from Moon to Earth varies. It is still again close to 108. Now, other thing is why Sun and Moon look the same size. The apparent size, that is the size which we see from the Earth, and as we look to the Sun as well as to the Moon, they appears to be same. Why? Why is it so? Because Sun is 400 times larger than Moon, but also 400 times farther away, and there is a perfect overlap. From Earth, both the disks appear nearly identical in size. Total solar eclipses only possible because of this precise visual symmetry. This observation was noticed thousands of years ago, and means imagine two celestial bodies, different, two independent ratios, but both are near the same number, that is 108. So this is the mind-blowing insight. Now let's come to the spiritual angle and of the human body. It is, in some traditions, it is called that there are 108 nadiyan, that is energy channels in our body converging at heart. Though there is not some clinical and there is still debate about it, but still it is still meaningful that 108 represents energy flow and consciousness. And now the last is the spiritual code 108. The spiritual angle is that 1 is the self, the individual consciousness, you, the seeker. 0 is emptiness, let go of the ego, the space between the thoughts. And 8, the infinity, the higher consciousness, the boundless and eternal. Together, a journey from self through surrender to the infinite. So, is 108 just a number or hidden connection between science and spirituality? The primary source was Surya Siddhanta. May your curiosity never reach its limit, just like the number 108 reaches for infinity. Thank you.